So hi! Welcome and welcome back sa my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-remove ng bio sa ating Facebook profile. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Facebook account or yung ating Facebook app. And then pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, pumunta lang tayo sa profile ng ating Facebook. So, dito naman guys, sa profile is itap nyo lang yung edit profile. So, dito naman is scroll up lang natin. And stop kayo dito sa inyong bio. So, kung makikita nyo may edit button sa right side nya. So, tap lang natin yung edit. And ayan guys, may pamimilian dyan na edit bio or remove. So, automatic guys, pag tinap natin yung remove, mawawala na yung bio natin dito sa ating profile. So, check natin yung ating profile. So, refresh ko lang. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nawala na yung aking bio dito sa aking Facebook profile. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-remove ng bio sa ating Facebook. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.